Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to save Camtasia projects as standalone project files in Camtasia. So in Camtasia, when you have done with your edits, but you need to save all the media that you put it down here in one project or folder, you can do from here. Go to the file menu and select Save As. Choose a destination folder for your project. In the Save As dialog box, check the box that says Create Standalone Project. Click the Save button. When you save a standalone project, Camtasia creates a new folder with the project file and all the media used in the project. This ensures that all the necessary files are bundled together. Make it easier to share or move your project. And now if you go back to your folder where you saved all your project, you can see all the media and audio are also saved here. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.